You don't wake up early because you lack discipline. You wake up late because your entire system is built to keep you asleep. Your phone, your habits, your schedule, your sleep. Everything around you is designed to pull you back into the bed. Difference between people who wake up at 5 a.m. and people who wake up at noon isn't motivation. It isn't genetics. It isn't willpower. It's a system. And right now your system is working against you. Every night it keeps you up. Every morning it keeps you down. And until you rebuild it from the ground up, you'll lose this battle every single day for the rest of your life today. I'm giving you the exact system that changed everything for me. Let's start. Point 1. When the night you think waking up early is about the morning. It's not. It's about what you did the night before. Every late night scroll. Every one more episode. Every stupid decision after 10 p.m. you're killing tomorrow before it even starts. You lose the war at night. Then wonder why mornings feel impossible. The night is where discipline dies, or where it's born. If you can't force yourself to sleep on time, you have no right to expect your body to wake up on command. Pick a shutdown time. Make it non-negotiable. Cut dopamine 1 hour before bed. No screens, no feeds, no fake stimulation. Let your brain know the day is over, because if you can't end the day with control, you'll never start the morning with power. Point 2. Stop negotiating. With your alarm every morning, you bargain with the snooze button. Just 5 more minutes, then 10, then 30. That's not rest. That's training yourself to quit. Put your alarm across the room. Force your body out of bed the moment it rings. No thinking. No debating. Because every second you hesitate, you're choosing comfort over control. And if you can't beat one alarm, you won't beat anything in your life. Here's the upgrade. Stop using generic alarm tones. Your brain ignores them. Use a sound that activates you. A voice note. A line that reminds you why you need to wake up when that alarm hits. Your brain should immediately remember what's at stake. That's where change begins. 3. Attach a reason that scares you. Waking up early just because successful people do won't move you. Day 1, you snooze. Day 2, you feel guilty. Day 3, you quit. Why? Because you don't have a reason strong enough to pull you out of the blanket. You need fear, a business that dies if you don't act, a body that decays if you stay lazy, a skill that never builds if you keep sleeping. Weak reasons create weak discipline. Your reason must be louder than your excuses, stronger than your comfort, scarier than your alarm. Otherwise 5 a.m. will always belong to someone else, never you. 4. Same wake-up time. No exceptions. One day you wake up at 5, next day 7, then 8, because you slept late. Now your body is confused, and you feel destroyed every morning. Your body runs on rhythm, and you keep breaking it with excuses. Tired doesn't matter. Late doesn't matter. Weekends don't matter. Pick one time. Lock it in. Wake up at the same time every single day. Discipline isn't showing up when you feel good. Discipline is getting up when every part of you wants to stay asleep. Your body will adjust. Your energy will return. But only if you stop lying to yourself. 5. Never miss twice. You will fail once. That's normal. Missing once is a mistake. Missing twice is a pattern, and patterns become identity. The second miss isn't about being tired. It's about giving yourself permission to quit. 2 days become a week becomes a month, and suddenly you're back where you started. Here's the rule. Miss once. Tomorrow, you wake up no matter what. No excuses. No negotiations. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about refusing to let one failure define you. Your future doesn't care why you missed. It only cares what you do next. The system is in your hands. Every day you delay, someone else is winning while you sleep. What you do tomorrow morning will define your next chapter, and if you're ready to take control of your mornings, comment, "I'm ready."